Hello guys, welcome to Japanese Easy Study channel. The lesson that we are going to learn today will talk about the difference between ga and o. When will we use ga and when will we use o in Japanese language? Are you seeing here when I want to say I open the door? I will say like ドアを開きます。ドアを開きます。And at the same time, you can say like this. 私はドアを開きます。私はドアを開きます。It also had the same meaning like I open the door. In Japanese, when they say in the speaking sentence, they don't use 私は If just say ドアを開きます it means that the person who's speaking that open the door. That means if I say that means I open the door. If you say ドアを開きます it means you open the door. So they don't say 私はドアを開きます. But actually you can use 私はドアを開きます or ドアを開きます which means I open the door. It just had the same meaning. But when you see another person, it's not you open the door. So when you want to try to say that somebody opened the door, you can use that person's name. Like as you see here, we have Mr. Tanaka opens the door. So you can say, Tanaka-san wa door o hirakimasu. Tanaka-san wa door o hirakimasu. It means that Tanaka-san opens the door. It's not I, right? So when you want to say another person open the door, you can say that person's name and followed by wa, and after that followed by door o hirakimasu, which means Tanaka-san opens the door or that person opens the door. So in this case, can be used ga, can be say like Tanaka-san wa door ga hirakimasu. We cannot say like this. When we will use or when anybody make action. So in this case, Mr. Tanaka-san opened the door. So we can use o, but we cannot use ga because Tanaka-san is the person that opened the door. So we cannot use ga. That is what you have to remember. And let's see the next example. In this case, as you see here, we will have the train. The door in the train will open automatically and will close automatically, right? So that means is no need anybody to be action. So in the case like this, we can use ga. I see here even to say the door will be open. I can say in Japanese like ドアが開きます。ドアが開きます。Which means the door will be open. That means nobody action but is open automatically. Or you can say like this. このドアが開きます。このドアが開きます。Which means this door will be open. この is mean this. And when you say この door is mean this door. But if we just say door, it means the door will be open. We don't say that door, this door, those door. You can say like this. So this is the difference between how to use. And in Japanese, you want to say the left side of the door and the right side of the door. As you know that in the train, they have the two sides of the door, the left side door and the right side door. So when you want to say the right side of the door will be open, you can say like this. 左側のドアが開きます。左側のドアが開きます。Which means the left side of the door will be open. 左側 which means the left side. And at the same time, if I want to say the right side of the door will be open, you can say like this. 右側のドアが開きます。右側のドアが開きます。Which means the right side of the door will be open. The right side of the door will be open. 右側 which means the right side. And so what is the difference between o and ga? Or when will we use o and ga? We will use o when it has anybody make the action. For example, I do something, or Mr. Tanaka-san do something, that we will use o. But something that or happen automatically that no need anybody to be action, such as the door, the automatically door open and close, we use ga, we cannot use o. And this is the difference between how to use o and ga in Japanese. So I hope that you understand how to use o and ga in Japanese right now. And thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have any problem, please comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip.